Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is how I color grade my videos on VN Editor. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave your comments. So hope you are enjoying it. So just keep looking at the details. I change the sharpness, the contrast, the highlights, and reduce the noise. And also just play with your sharpness a bit and the HSL, and just give your clip a good nice feel. Once again, don't forget to